We'll draw a fairly generic triangle here, and we'll call it A, B, C. And we're told that our A is 37 degrees, our side A, so across from that, is 12, and our side C is 70. And so next step, we're interested in this height here. And so why? What does this height tell us? The h is the height of the triangle, and it also tells us a little bit about what we expect from A, side A. If side A is exactly equal to h, then we know that we're dealing with a right triangle. If side A is a little bigger than h, then we would be talking about a couple possible triangles that we could draw here. If A is smaller than h, well, then we have a problem. That's just not possible. So the h tells us a lot. So let's figure out what the h is in this case. So we have our little right triangle there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say sine of 37 is equal to the opposite, that is h over 70, which tells us that h is equal to 70 sine 37. And if we plug that into our calculator, we come up with 42. Okay, so 42, again, what does that tell us? That tells us that if this were a right triangle, then this h right here would have to be 42. And that's the lowest limit on what a can be, and that would form a right triangle. A little bigger than 42, fine, but less than 42, that is 12, that's just not going to work. So when we say that a is less than h, then we would say that there's no triangle. No triangle possible, I guess, is the best way to clarify that. And so that would be our answer for that one.